Hello students, today we are going to see second unit numbers, exercise 2.4 in book page number 37. Okay, listen, second Roman, answer the following F sum. Find the sum of greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit numbers. Okay, we have to sum greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit numbers. What does mean by sum? SUM, sum means addition, plus. Okay, we have to add greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit numbers. Okay, first of all we have to write greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? We know already. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest number means all digit numbers are 9 only. Okay, we know very well. Next, smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest numbers are always starting from 1 and ending with 0. Okay, so this is 5-digit number. We are going to write smallest 5-digit number. So, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Start from ones, 0, 0, 0, 0, here 1. So, 10,000. So, greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Insert comma. 3-digit before insert comma. Next, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Now, we have to add these two numbers because here given sum. SUM, sum. Sum means we have to add these two numbers. So, put plus. I am going to add these numbers. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. And here given one number only. There is no number. Okay, so directly we can write this number 1. So, what is the answer? Total is 19,999. First, we are writing greatest 4-digit number 9,999. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. 2 also we have to add because here given sum. So, add means we get 19,999. This is answer. Okay. Okay students, next we are going to see in second Roman G sum. Write the following in ascending and descending orders. Ascending order and descending order you already learned in previous classes. Okay, I am going to say example for ascending order and descending order. Listen carefully. Okay, look at this picture. Here given 10 steps. Okay, you are standing here. You are standing here. You want to reach 10th step. Between here given 10 steps, you want to reach to 10th step. Okay, so how to go to 10th step? You are standing here. You want to go to 10th step. So, how to go to 10th step? First, you want to go to step 1, next step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, step 9. At last, you can reach step 10. Okay, at last you can reach step 10. So, ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. That is called ascending order. That is called ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest means that is called ascending order. Okay. Next, descending order. What is mean by descending order? Okay, listen. The same example. Now you reach at a 10th step. Again you want to go to step 1. So how to reach to step 1? First you want to move to 9th step. Next step 8. Next step 7. Step 6. Step 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. At last you can reach at step 1. So, descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest number to smallest number. Descending order means arranging the number from greatest number to smallest number, that means descending order. Okay, that means descending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller number to bigger number, means that is called ascending order. Descending order means arranging the number from biggest number to smallest number, means that is called descending order. Okay, don't forget, this is very very important sums. Okay, okay, now we are going to see G sum. In second Roman G sum, listen. Write the following in ascending and descending orders. Okay, here given numbers. These numbers we have to arrange in. First we have to arrange in ascending order. Next descending order. Okay, here listen. Here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 set of numbers given. Okay, 6 numbers is given. Observe this number. What is the first number? 33,058. Okay, next number 40,978. Third number is 97,879. Next number 81,421. Next 90,470. And last one 47,224. Okay, first we have to arrange the number in ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest we have to arrange. Okay. If you want to arrange from smallest to biggest, first you have to identify the number. Which is the smallest number? Which is the bigger number? Okay. Listen. First step, you have to compare the number. You have to compare the number. If you compare the number means we can easily identify which is smaller number, which is bigger number. Okay, I am going to compare this number. Listen. First you have to count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 digit number. Next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5 digit number. Next this one, this is also 5 digits. And this one, this is also 5 digits. And this is also 5 digit number. And last one also 5 digit numbers. Okay, so all the numbers are same number of digits. Okay, number of digits are equal. So if number of digits are equal means we can't find out find out the smaller number and the bigger number. So you have to go to next step. Number of digits equal irundhudu appadina appo நம்ம next step follow பண்ணனும். What is the next step? You have to compare the digits value. We have to compare the digits value. That means from left side la irundhu first number நம்ம compare பண்ணனும். Okay, left side first number what in this number? 3. Here what is the first number? 4. Here what is the first number? 9. Here what is the first number? 8. Here what is the first number? 9. Here 4. Okay, now compare the first number. Which number is smaller? Yes, absolutely, 3 is the first smaller number. Okay, so this is the first smaller number. So this one we can write down 33,058. Okay, 33,058. This is the first number. Next we have to see remaining 5 numbers. Okay, in remaining 5 numbers, which number is the smaller number? You have to see the starting number. In starting number, which number is smaller? 4, 9, 8, 9, 4. Which is smaller? Yes, 4 is smaller. So here also 4, here also 4. In 2 places, first number is 4 only. Okay, ரெண்டு நம்பர்லையுமே first number 4 இருக்கு இல்லையா? So we can't find out which is smaller. Now we can't find out which is smaller number, which is bigger number. So you have to move to next digit. Okay, you have to move to next number. Okay, what is the next number? Here 0. Here what is the next number? 7. Okay, first number equal, so we are going to compare the second number. Here second number is 0, that second number is 7. Okay, in both of them which is smaller number? 0 or 7? Yes, 0. 0 is a smaller number. So next smaller number is 40,978. So next number is 40,978. Okay, what is the next number? Okay, next number is this one. Okay, so this one after next smaller number is 47,224. This is the third number, third smaller number. Okay, next we have remaining 3 numbers. Okay, now in these 3 numbers we have to compare the starting number. Here starting number is 9, here starting number is 8, here starting number is 9. So which is smaller number? Yes, 8 is a smaller number. So fourth one is this one. Fourth smaller number is 81,421. Remaining we have 2 numbers. Okay, 97,879 and 90,470. Compare these 2 numbers. Starting numbers are equal. So starting number equal means we can't identify which is smaller, which is bigger. Okay, so we have to move to next number. What is the next number here? 7. Here what is the next number? 0. Okay, so which is the smaller number? Compare the second number. In second number which is smaller? Yes, 0 only smaller. So next smaller number is 90,470. Okay, and last one is this one. This number 97,879. Okay, now we can arrange the number from smaller to bigger. Okay, now we get the answer. Arrange the number in smaller to bigger. First number is 33,058. Okay, put comma. Next number is this one, 40,978. Okay, next number is, third number is 47,224. Okay, next number is 81,421. 81,421. Okay, next number is 90,470. And last number is 97,879. Last number is 97,879. Okay, now observe these numbers. Here we arrange the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Can you understand? Like this only you have to follow. Okay. Next, the same method we are going to arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay, listen. Descending order means what? We know very well. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from biggest number to smallest number. Okay, now we have to identify which is bigger number, which is smaller number. The same method ascending order ku நம்ம follow பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, அதே same method we are going to follow in descending order. Okay, descending order means bigger number to smaller number we have to arrange. Okay, so here first we have to see the number of digits. First we have to compare the digits. Okay, here number of digits are equal. First step is we have to compare the digits. Number of digits are here equal. All numbers have 5 digits. So we have to compare the digits value starting from left side. 3, 4, 9, 8, 9 and 4. So observe this first number. Which is a bigger number? Yes, 9 is a bigger number. Okay, starting number la edu bigger number ah irukku? 9. 9 is a bigger number. But in 2 numbers have here 9. In the number starting number 9, in the number starting number 9. So first number is equal in both numbers. Okay, so first number equal means we have to compare second number. Here second number is what? 7. Here second number is 0. So which is the bigger number? For 7 and 0, 7 and 0 is the bigger number? 7. 7 is the first bigger number. Okay, so overall 97,879 is the first bigger number. Okay, what is the next number? Next bigger number is 90,470. Okay. 90,470. Okay, next we have remaining, we have 4 numbers. In 4 numbers, first number you have to compare. What is the next bigger number? He given 3, 4, 8 and 4. Which is next bigger number? Yes, 8. 8 is the next number. Okay, so 81,421 is the next bigger number. Okay, can you understand? Next we have remaining 3 numbers. Okay, this one, first number is 3, here starting number is 4, there starting number is 4. So which is the bigger number? Starting number la edu bigger number ah irukku? 4. 4 is the bigger number. Here also given 4, there also starting number is 4 only. So both number are also equal, so we can't compare. So we have to move to second number. Compare the second number. What is second number here? 0. Here what is the second number? 7. So which is the next bigger number? 0 or 7, which is the bigger number? 7 only. Okay. So fourth number is 47,221. 47,224. 224. Okay, next remaining we have this number and this number. Okay, starting number compare 3 and 4. So which is next bigger number? 4. Which is a bigger number? 3 or 4? 4 only. So next number is 40,978. 40,978. Okay, and last we have remaining only one number, 33,058. This number we can write at last, 33,058. Okay, this is sixth number. So in descending order, listen, we arrange the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. First bigger number is, listen, 97,879. Next 90,470. Next 81,421. Next 47,224. Next 40,978. And last one 33,058. Here we arrange the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. Can you understand? Okay. So ascending order means we have to arrange the number from smaller to bigger. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. Okay, so A sum only I am teaching. Second B sum homework, the same model, B sum homework. Okay, okay students, next we are going to see second Roman I sum. Listen, add 5,000s and 300s to this number 1,34,510. Okay, add 5,000s and 300s to this number 1,34,510. What is the meaning? Very simple. 1,34,510 oda 5,000s and 300s add பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay, first we are going to write this given number, 6-digit number, that is 1,34,510. Next 5,000s and 300s. 5,000s and 300s. So 5 we have to write in 1,000 place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So thousands place we have to write number 5. 5,000s and 300s. 300s, 3. Okay, 5,000s and 300s. We have to add. Okay, first we have to start from ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. Next here given one number only, there is no number. So as it is we can bring down number 3. Next here also as it is we can bring down number 1. So what is the answer? 1,39,810. given number is 1,34,510. இந்த நம்பரோட 5,000s and 300s add பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So 5,000s, so this number we have to write in 1000 place. Next 300, right? 3 in 100 place. Next add 2 zeros. We have to add these two numbers. Okay, so answer is 1,39,810. Okay. Okay, next topic is addition. Next we are going to say about addition. What is meant by addition? Addition is the process of putting items together. Okay, addition is the process of putting items together. Okay, let's see. I am going to explain with an example. Then here, what is this picture? This is apple. In first bowl have how many apples? 1, 2 apples. Next second bowl has 1 apple. So totally how many apples are here? If you want to find total number of apples, okay, if you want to find total number of apples, how to find the total number of apples? If you want to find total number of apples, first we have to add 2 apples and 1 apple. Okay, addition is denoted by the symbol plus. Addition is denoted by the symbol is plus. This is the addition symbol. Okay, now we have to find out the total number of apples. We have to add 2 apples plus 1 apple. So what is the answer? 3. Total number of apples are here 3. 1, 2, 3. So overall how many apples are here? 3 apples. So what is the addition definition? Addition is a process of putting items together. Okay, கொடுத்திருக்கிற வேல்யூவை together means ஒன்று சேர்க்கிறது. கொடுத்திருக்கிற வேல்யூவை ஒன்று சேர்க்கிறது தான் நம்ம addition அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, அது திங்ஸாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை நம்பராக இருக்கலாம், எந்த வேல்யூவாகவும் இருக்கலாம். ஓகே, என்ன வேல்யூஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதை நம்ம ஒன்று சேர்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதுதான் அடிஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அடிஷன் இஸ் denoted by plus symbol. Okay, can you understand? Next, this is addition keywords. All together, put together, how many in all, total, sum, add, increased by, more. This is the keywords, addition keywords. Okay, using these terms we can identify the addition in word problem. Okay, ஒரு வேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அது அடிஷன் ப்ராப்ளமா இல்லை வேறு ப்ராப்ளமா அப்படின்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு திஸ் கீவேர்ட்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ்ஃபுல் டு அஸ். ஓகே, ஒரு வேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளமில் ஆல் டுகெதர், புட் டுகெதர், ஹவு மெனி இன் ஆல், டோட்டல், சம், ஆட், இன்க்ரீஸ்டு பை, மோர், திஸ் keywords are given means we can easily identify that is addition word problem. Okay, so this keywords are useful to identify the problem, identify the addition problem. Okay, memorize this keyword, this is very important. Okay, okay, let's see next exercise 2.5 in book page number 39. Find the sum, addition problem. Okay, listen, first question. Here already numbers are arranging in your book. First number is 6875, next 637, next 54,300, last one is 54. Okay, we have to add this all the numbers. This is plus symbol. So addition is denoted by plus symbol only. Now we are going to add this number. Addition means always we have to start from ones place. From right side only we have to start. So first number is here 5. 5 plus 7 we have to add. If you want to use fingers you can use. Okay, fingers use பண்ணி நீங்கள் ஆட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நீங்கள் 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வந்துட்டீங்க அப்படி 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வந்துட்டீங்க இல்லையா, அதனால் நீங்கள் டேரெக்டாக கூட அப்படியே ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 0 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, we can add any number with 0, we get number itself, same number only. 12 plus 0 12, 5 plus 0 5. We know that already. 5 plus 0, 5 only. Okay, we can add any number with 0, we get this number, same number only. 7 plus 0, 7. Don't forget this. Okay, this is very important. So 5 plus 7, what is answer? 12. 5 in the mind, 7 in the fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 4, 12 in the mind, 4 in the fingers, 12 after, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. 16 means units number. That is ones number only we have to write at ones column. Next, tens number. That is 1. This number, this remaining number we have to bring down to, we have to carry over. Sorry, we have to carry over to tens place. Tens place in the remaining number write பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Now you have to add this two number. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 8 in the mind. First number you have to keep in your mind. Second number leave in fingers. ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இல்லை அப்படியே வந்து மைண்ட்லேயே ஆட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருந்தால் கூட ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So 8 after you should say 8 after 9, 10, 11. Next 11. 11 plus 0, 11 only. 11 plus 5, 11 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 11 after, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 means 6 you have to write here. Ones number only we have to write down. Okay, next tens number how to bring down to, how to carry over to next digit. How to carry over next digit la vandu na write panikkanum. Okay, remaining number is 1. So remaining number you have to write in hundreds column. Now you have to add these two numbers. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 9 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 15 after, 16, 17, 18. So we get 18. So ones number we can write down. Next tens number carry over to 1000 place. Okay, now we have to add these numbers. 1 plus 6, 7. There is no number here. Here also not given any number. Okay, so 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. 7 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11. So ones number is 1. So we can write down. Next tens number carry over to 10,000 place. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Now we can insert comma. 3 digit before insert comma. So what is answer? 61,866. Okay, let's see second problem. 32,567. This is 5 digit number. Next 78. This is 2 digit number. Okay, next 4,324. Next 5,000. We have to add these numbers. Okay, first as usual we have to start from ones place. 7 plus 8. What is answer? 7 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. So 7 after you should start. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 in the mind. Next number is 4. So leave in fingers 4 numbers. 15 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 15 after you should count. 15 after, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 plus 0 we get 19 only. Any number add with 0 we get number itself. Okay, so 19 plus 0 is 19. So 9 we have to bring down, we have to write down. Okay, next tens number how to carry over to tens column. Next tens number, listen. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7. So 7 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 7 after you should start. 7 after what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now 14 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 14 after, 15, 16. Okay, now 16 plus 0. The last number is 0. So you have to add with 16 with add with 0. So 16 plus 0, what is answer? 16. So 16 means ones number write down. Next tens number have to carry over to hundreds. Carry over to hundreds column. Okay. Now add these numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. Next 6 plus 3 you have to add. 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 plus 0, what is answer? 9 only. So here we can write number 9. Okay, next 1000 place. Listen, here given 2. There is no number here. Okay. So we can add 2 plus 4. 2 in the mind, 4 in the fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now 6 you have to keep in your mind, 5. 5 you have to leave in your fingers. So 6 in the mind, 5 in the fingers, 6 after you should count. Okay, 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so answer is 11. So ones number you should write here. Next, this tens number carry over to 10,000. Now here given only one number, so remaining number is 1. So add these two numbers. What is answer? 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 3 digit before insert comma. So what is answer? 41,969. Okay, can you understand? Second question answer is 41,969. Okay, listen. Next second Roman, add the following. Here given 4 numbers. First one is 19,732, 5 digit number. Next plus 24,105, this is also 5 digit number. Next plus 525, this is 3 digit number. Next one is 48, this is 2 digit number. We have to add this all the numbers. Okay, so first of all we should arrange the number one by one. Okay, first number is 19,732. Okay, next number also 5 digit number. So we can start from left side. 2, 4, 1, 0, 5. One number to another number, leave the space and write clearly. Okay, next number is 525. This is 3 digit number. So we can start from ones place. Ones place number is 5. Tens place number is 2. 100 place number is 5. Okay, next number is 2 digit number. So ones place we have to write number 8 and tens place have to write number 4. We have to add all the numbers. Okay, put plus symbol. We have to add all the numbers. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is 1000 place. This is 10,000 place. Okay. Now, as usual, we have to start from ones place. In ones place, what is the first number? 2. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 in the mind, 2 in the mind. First number always you should keep in your mind. Second number, you have to leave in your fingers. Okay. So, 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers, 2 after. 2 after only you should count. First number ku appuram dhaan neenga count panna start pannanum. 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 you should keep in your mind. 7 in the mind, ada mind la vechukonga, 5 in the fingers la. 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. Leave 5 fingers. So 7 after you should count. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now 12 you have to keep in your mind. 12 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. Okay. So 12 after, you given 8 only. So you have to leave 8 fingers. So 12 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 12 after, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we get 20. So this ones number you should write down 0. Tens number you have to carry over to tens column. Okay, circle this number. Next, remaining number we can circle. Next, tens number you have to add. 2 plus 3, 2 in the mind, 3 in the fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 5 plus 0 we have to add. This one directly we can add. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. Okay, now 5 you have to keep in your mind. 5 in the mind, 2 you have 2 only. So leave 2 fingers. 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 5 after, 6, 7. Okay, now 7 how to leave in keep in your mind. 7 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we get 11. So as usual, ones place number 1 we have to write down. Next, tens number 1 how to carry over to hundreds column. How to carry over to hundreds column. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, so 1 plus 7 is 8 only. 7 plus 1 also we can add. 7 after number 8 only. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5, 9 in the mind, 5 in the fingers, 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is answer? 14. So ones number. Okay, ones place number 4 we have to write down. Next, tens number 1 have to carry over to thousands column. Okay, now we have to add these numbers. 1 plus 9, or we can add 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is what? 10 only. Okay, 9 after number is 10. 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 9 after, 10. So next, 10 you have to keep in your mind. Leave 4 fingers. 10 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 10 after, 11, 12, 13, 14. So again we get 14. Ones place number have to write down. Next, tens place number we have to carry over to 10,000 column. Okay, this is 10,000 column. Okay, here we have 1 plus 1, 2. Then we have to add 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Again we have to add 2 plus 2. What is answer? 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, digits you have to write straightly. Next, 3 digit before insert comma. So what is answer? 44,410. 44,410. Okay. A sum only I am teaching now. Remaining B in the same Roman. Second Roman, B sum, C sum, D sum, homework. The same method. First you have to arrange the given number one by one. After you have to start to add from ones place. Ones place la irundhu add panna start pannunga. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see fifth sum. This is word problem. Listen. A day's sales of different vegetables in a vegetable shop. Vegetable shop is as follows. Okay, first brinjal 4,500 rupees. Next, tomato 7,800 rupees. Next, onion 26,500 rupees. Next, potato 7,825 rupees. And beetroot 825 rupees. Find the total amount of sales. This is given problem. Okay. In vegetable shop have different vegetables. They are brinjal, tomato, onion, next potato, beetroot. Different vegetables இருக்கு. Okay. So ஒரு நாள்ல சேல் அப்படின்னா விற்றுருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஒரு நாளில் விற்ற வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் உடைய அமௌண்ட்டெல்லாம் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்கள். எ டே சேல், ஒரு நாளில் விற்ற வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் உடைய அந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு brinjal 4,500 rupees. brinjal வந்து 4,500 rupeesக்கு அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு விற்றுருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டொமேட்டோ 7,800 rupeesக்கு விற்றுருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஆனியன் 26,500 rupees அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு அது சேல் ஆகிருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பொட்டேட்டோ 7,825 அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு விற்றுருக்காங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பீட்ரூட் 825 rupeesக்கு சேல் ஆகிருக்கு. ஓகே, So find the total amount of sale. So ஒரு நாளில் விற்ற அந்த வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் உடைய டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட். ஓகே, டோட்டலாக எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு அந்த எல்லா வெஜிடபிள்ஸுமே விற்றுருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் கிவன் டோட்டல். டோட்டல் இஸ் அ keyword of addition. I already told you total is a keyword of addition. So we have to add all the amount. If you want to find the total amount, we have to add all the given amount. Okay, listen. We have to write this word like this. First, brinjal. Brinjal is sale for 4,500 rupees. Okay, brinjal 4,500 rupees amount ku sale ஆயிருக்கு. So brinjal is equal to 4,500 rupees. Next, tomato. Tomato is sale for 7,800 rupees. Tomato வந்து 7,800 rupeesக்கு விற்றுருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஆனியன் இஸ் 26,500. ஸோ ஆனியன் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 26,500 rupees. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பொட்டேட்டோ இஸ் சேல் ஃபார் 7,825 rupees. ஸோ பொட்டேட்டோ வந்து 7,825 rupeesக்கு வந்து விற்றுருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பீட்ரூட். பீட்ரூட் வந்து 825 rupees அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு சேல் ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகே, நவ் வி ஹாவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் த டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட். ஸோ இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஃபைண்ட் த டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட், வி ஹாவ் டு ஆட் திஸ் ஆல் த கிவன் அமௌண்ட். ஆஸ் யூஷுவல், ஃபஸ்ட்டு வி ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ். ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் அண்ட் thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so ones column first we have to see 0 0 0. So 0 plus 0 0 only we get. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10. So 10 means ones column, ones place number we can write down. Tens place number carry over to tens column. Next, 1 plus 0. Here given first 3 places given 0 only. So 1 plus 0 means we get 1. So 1 plus 2 3. 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 3 after, 4 5. So here answer is 5. Next we have to consider hundreds column. 5 plus 8. 5 in the mind, 8 in the fingers, 5 after you should count 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 13 in the mind, 5 in the fingers, 13 after, 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, so 18 plus 8. 18 in the mind, 8 in the fingers, 18 after, 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. Okay, now 26 you have to keep in your mind. 26 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. So 26 after, 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34. Okay, so 34 means 4 you should write down. Next 3 you have to carry over to 1000 place. Next 3 plus 4. What is answer? 3 in the mind, 4 in the fingers, 3 after, 4 5 6 7. Now 7 you have to keep in your mind. Next number is 7. Leave 7 fingers. 7 after count. 7 after, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now 14 you should keep in your mind. Leave next number 6. Leave in fingers. 14 after, 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so now 20 how to keep in your mind. 7 in the fingers, 20 after, 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. Okay, so 27. So 7 you should write down. Next tens place, carry over to 1000 place. Here given just 2 numbers only. 2 plus 2 4. Okay, so insert the comma. Okay, then 3 digit before insert comma. So what is the answer? 47,450 rupees. Rupee symbol also you should insert. Okay, so answer is, total amount is 47,450 rupees. Okay, so total amount of sales on that day is equal to 47,450 rupees. 47,450 rupees. Okay, so ஒரு டேயில் சேலான அந்த வெஜிடபிள்ஸுடைய டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 47,450. கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? இன் வேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளமில் டோட்டல், சம், ஆடு, இன்க்ரீஸ்டு பை, மோர், ஆல் டுகெதர், புட் டுகெதர் இந்த மாதிரி வேர்ட்லாம் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா ஈஸிலி யூ கேன் ஐடென்டிஃபை தட் இஸ் த அடிஷன் வேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். அது அடிஷன் வேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் அப்படின்ட்டு ஈஸியாக ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, நீங்களாகவே அதில் கொடுத்துருக்கிற வேர்டை வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணி வேர்ட் மேக் பண்ணி நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பரை அப்படியே ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். வெரி சிம்பிள். ஓகே, இங்கே வெஜிடபிள்ஸோடைய டீட்டெயில்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ வி ரைட் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் நேம் அண்டு ஒவ்வொரு வெஜிடபிளுமே ஒரு டேயில் எவ்வளோ சேலாக இருக்குது, எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு சேலாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வி ஆட் ஆல் த அமௌண்ட். ஆட் மீன்ஸ் வி கெட் டோட்டல் ஆன்சர். ஓகே, கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?